Hello. This is gonna be a funky video. I got a few packages here. Still have one coming in, but this gonna be my new GoPro setup. My girlfriend got me this new helmet for my birthday, so we're gonna give it a nice GoPro setup. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start with, I think it's in this one. I think this one has Cardo. So, the Cardo, I've been wanting one of these. Let's open her up. It's got pretty nice packaging. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. How do you open this? Oh, this is open right there. How much was this? $300. It's actually insane, but it's pretty nice. I like how it doesn't have any wire in there. It'll focus. Focus. Okay. It's a pretty nice little thing. I'll just set that over there. Focus. Focus down there. Oh my god. It's gonna... Okay. There. Okay. I don't need a guide. What do you think I am? Nah. I got this big old Cardo sticker. Okay, there's all the stuff. That's what that sticks onto. I'll figure it out. Got that nice mic, boom mic. Okay, we're gonna set all that down here. That's all that stuff. So now I'm gonna grab my helmet, I guess. Okay, since I'm in my closet, I don't have much room to work with. It's good enough. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I grabbed that installation guide or whatever. Okay, that's a lot. Whatever. Okay, so it says I have to rip out my earpieces inside the helmet. I have no idea how these come out. Okay, so I figured it out. So look, they just pop off in there. And this helmet actually has spots for a headset in there. Connect those in there, and I'll go do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got those pieces in there. Now I gotta figure out mounting for the actual Cardo. So this part's gonna be a little tricky because this helmet has sunglasses. Doesn't seem like a big problem, but that's usually where that goes. Usually clips on there, but this is in the way. I will try to figure that out, and I will let y'all know. Okay, so I did get it on there, but it's not in the spot that you really want it. I pulled this padding back and slipped that up in there, but it's kind of towards the back, so it's not in the best spot, but it's better than having it on this side where you have to take your hand off the throttle every time you want to change your song, turn up the volume or anything, because that's how I have it on my other helmet. On this helmet, I have it on that side, so it's kind of in the same spot. Don't want to hit them together, but it's, oh my god, sort of in the same spot, but this one's a little bit further up. It's a little towards the back, so I guess I'll look at the instructions and see what to do next. Okay, so it says to just have it over there. It's whatever. It says to put the headphones in now. These actually have JBLs. It's got some good sound quality, I hope. Never had a Cardo before, so I'm just a broke teenager. On my other one, the sound quality isn't bad, but there's like no bass to them. I heard these got a little bit of bass to them. So it said left one goes closest to the mounting point, so I'll do that real quick. The way I did it to put those other things in there, I've stuck my hand through the head hole and I kind of pushed my hand up in there, got it up in there. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put these wires in a better spot so they're not just Okay, so I put those in there I tucked all the wires up in there, so there's like no wire visible. So what I did was I put it in there. Oh, okay, whatever, you suck. I put it in there, I pulled that back, and I ran the wire up. Oh, okay. Ran the wire up behind that pad in the back there, and ran it over to the other side. I think I'm done with that. Let me just, actually I gotta put the mic in there. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. They have a boom mic and they have a mic that sits on the edge up here. So let me figure that out real quick. I'm just gonna use this other mic that they have. It looks a lot easier to deal with. It's not gonna be all up in your face, because I'm gonna have another mic in there for my GoPro. So I'm gonna throw this in there real quick and I'll show you all. Okay, so I got that all in there. Got it all put back together. So now I'm guessing I just put the Cardo on there and I start her up. I have no idea how to put this on. Okay, so I figured it out, and you just kind of slide it in that way. Hold on. You just kind of slide it in there, push it in there. Okay, I'm just gonna do this next one in my bed because it's not very, there's not much to it. This is gonna be the GoPro mount. One hand now. Okay. I'm sorry. The chin mount for the Sidisi Strata 2. I'll do that. Okay, so if it'll focus, I paid $30 for this 3D printed piece here. So before I put it on, I'm gonna clean it. Wipes and wipes. Removes dirt and excess dirt. No way. Wet and dry. Right there. Just wipe that down real quick. And this is the number 2, the dry one. I've only worn this helmet once or twice. Not dirty like at all, but I'm still gonna clean it to get dirt and stuff off of there. Put that right in the middle. Okay, so I got it put on there, and it's obviously not centered. And I tried to get it off, and it will not come off at all. So, I feel pretty confident that my GoPro is not going to fall off while I'm going 80 miles an hour down the highway. It's good. Okay, so this is the microphone for the GoPro. You can tell I really like Amazon. I can't put this on until the next piece comes in, which is the Media Mod. So I got this mic off of Amazon, Purple Panda. It was on like 30 bucks. I put all of the stuff that I put on this helmet in my description. Okay. Guide. They sent me an email about this. I forgot what it was. I think it was just like a video of how to install it or whatever. Here it is. That's it. Got a nice little bag out of it, I guess. Here we got the mic. It's a nice little thing. And I don't know what that's for. Or that. But I'm pretty sure I can just use this. I think this is just like an extension. I guess these are just like adapters. I don't understand this one. But I don't understand it at all. I'm pretty sure I just need this piece. I think I'm just gonna tape it up in there and have it on like that. It looks like I can just pull this out of there. I'm gonna do this off camera so I don't break it. Okay, so I got it off of there. You can take, I think, there. So you can take that off, and there is this one. So you don't get any of that air noise in there or anything, so I'm going to put that on. I got this. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna do this off camera too. Okay, I got that on there. I hope that doesn't tickle my mouth or anything. So, for this, I have to have the GoPro Media Mod, but it got delayed. So, it was supposed to be here today, but obviously it's not here. I'm just gonna wait until that comes in, but I'm gonna put this in and I will wait until then. Okay, this is how it sounds. I can't see anything without these bad boys. It wasn't rolling the whole time, but I moved everything from over there to the side. Brought this bad boy over here because it's gonna start storming tonight. Move this bad boy over here. My boo got me this back seat, so I started putting these on. Got one of them on. I don't remember what happened. And whenever I got that on, I went to go put the other one back on a few days later, and my dad had put all the stuff in the attic, and I can't get in the attic because we have a 65 or something Mustang, and it was sitting right here. Got that out of the garage, put this big boy back here, so still can't get up there. After it storms, I bet I will be able to get this other one put on. Then I gotta have the boo on the back. But what I was saying is, I have an oil leak. Fixing that, then I'll be back. I don't know where it's coming from, but somewhere in there. I think it's coming from this. But I replaced that seal, and apparently there's still a leak. So maybe counter shaft. But yeah, the reason I haven't posted in a long time is because the oil leak, and I got caught trying to learn wheelies in the school parking lot. That was pretty dope. Not really, but yeah. Next video is probably going to be riding, so hurrah!